Greetings to all. I am Dr. Jaya Bansal, Director of Rajni Public School, Dubai, District Bulandshahr. First of all, I extend my gratitude to Abhivira Foundation for providing me an opportunity to express my thoughts on the current COVID-19 lockdown and its repercussions on the society. I congratulate them for doing a wonderful task in this hour of crisis. As you all know, the whole world is reeling under the immense pressure of COVID-19 crisis, which has shaken our daily lives and has brought drastic changes in everybody's lifestyles and thinking processes. This pandemic has made the human race realize that we are all puppets in the majestic hands of fate, and all our ambitions and aspirations might come to a standstill on the spur of a moment. But it is the right time we actually utilize this juncture and convert this threat to humanity into an opportunity. It is the time to realize our inner potential, our latent energies. It is the appropriate time to get a cue to what needs to be explored in one's life. This grave global calamity, COVID-19, teaches us many things. The first thing is that one needs to discover oneself. People are so busy in their daily course, at home and at workplace, that they do not know what they actually are. The second lesson to be understood and followed is to develop our spiritual quotient. We all are realizing the strength and power of the Almighty. As we saw, in no time, our thought process completely changed with the spread of this virus. The sudden en masse of dead bodies piled up left us tight-lipped and shaken. Spend quality time with your family, your loved ones, is the next message which we must learn from these times. It is our close family, our parents, our children, whom we have forgotten in our respective busy lives. This is a moment for all of us to come together in a collective effort to make each other kinder, stronger, and braver to face the days ahead. Natural resources have been brutally exploited for materialistic gains by humans. So, as the Mother Earth is undergoing maintenance, so should we as humans reset ourselves and convert into a pure rejuvenated soul. So finally I assert that the coronavirus may be with us for a long time, and we have to learn to live with it rather than hope to vanquish its threats. Every cloud has a silver lining. Though the future looks gloomy for a large population like the migrant labor, small artisans, and worksmen and daily wage earners, yet there is always a peep of hope. We must work together in a positive mood, appreciating what all we have in store and utilizing our inner strengths in such a time of global pandemic. Safety and hygiene will be even more important in designing the post-lockdown world. There's no going back to the normal. All we should focus on is building for the new normal. Thank you.